Welcome to today's video. What's up? I am back. So I've been gone for I think 2 or 3 weeks. Been very busy, been traveling a little bit for work and went on vacation with the family. But here we are in Cleveland. As you can see, they're about to paint. So I wanted to show you the before they paint. Here's the little samples I had. You always want to do samples because the paint will always look different than the paint code that you see on the little strips. So a little tip is always get little samples from Lowe's or Home Depot, Sherman Williams, wherever you get your paint from. Get a little jar and paint it on the house so you can actually see how it's looking. Well, how it looked once you got it. We're gonna paint that white. I want to show y'all before. Give y'all an update on the inside. Got paint on the walls. First coat. This project is like two or 3 weeks behind at the moment. Got tile all the way up, you know how we like it. Not sure yet if I want to keep the floors or put some wood or vinyl floors. All right, we just painted. Well, they started painting one of the houses I've been working on. Let me know what y'all think. Hold on, let's see. What y'all think about it so far? Leave in the comments down below if y'all like it or not. This little, I don't know what to call it, awning is gonna be painted white. They got a finished paint. I just want to show y'all right now. Let me know what y'all think. We're about to take these burglar bars off right here. Save me a little money because it's gonna charge me labor. So we're about to take these off, do a little work, and I'll let y'all know how it looks. Stay tuned. Sometimes you gotta put in a little manual labor to save some money. I spent a lot of money so far, so I'm saving a couple dollars here. The reason I'm taking the burglar bars off because some people when they see burglar bars they think of crime, and this is not really a crime area, but this is an old house. So back in the day they had the burglar bars. This is not too far from the university, like not even a half a mile away from the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. All right, here we are taking off. As you can see, it look a lot better. And I took it off because this is a hazard. If they had a fire or something, you couldn't open this. So there we have it. Now I look a lot better. We don't have no hazards. Saw the burglar bars we took off. Let me tell you, the house looks a whole lot better. Look at that. What y'all think? I'll show y'all the finished product. We're here at the scrap yard in Lafayette. I took all the burglar bars off the house. Well, some of them. As y'all can see, I'm about to throw them away. Probably give me maybe $10. See y'all in the next clip. Just dropped a little load off. Came out to 480 pounds. I got $38.57. Check it out. More than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like $10. All right, we inside Cleveland house. So I just want to share a story with y'all about real estate investing stuff you don't see on HGTV. All right, what is this? I try to give people chances, you know, but what's this? You do bad? Come on, not level. It ain't right. Come on. Look at that. That's why you gotta check your work and go behind your contractors before you pay them so you don't get burned like this. Come on, man. What is that? Look how far it is away from the wall. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a long time for me. I think 3 or 4 weeks I've been stupid busy with work. I've been traveling, all that stuff, went on vacation with family. And I didn't want to pick up the camera and not give y'all 100% of me, so I just left it alone. But I'm back to the weekly uploads. If y'all enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the support. My subscribers been going up. Thank y'all. If y'all like that Cash Flow is King shirt that I had on when I was at the house, let me know if y'all like that in the comments down below, or follow me on Instagram, Real Estate Entrepreneur. Send me a DM and I can get y'all one. I'll be probably launching a website soon with my shirts. I made the shirts for me for good messages. I always keep them on, but people been asking about them, people been wanting them, so be launching a website soon. I appreciate the support. I'll see you on the next video.